Hello everyone, my name is Rashiditi Ghosh and I welcome you all to the second edition of ET Entrepreneur Summit and Awards. We are live from Bengaluru and we've been joined by none other than Miss Navya. Miss Navya is the founder of Project Naveli and she's going to have a candid conversation with us regarding her project and her experience today at the conference. Hello Miss Navya, thank you so much for joining us today.
Hi, thank you for having me.
So let's go to your organization first. You have experienced Bharat, you have seen India. Which woman inspires you the most, and what is your inspiration behind Project Naveli?
I think, when we talk about Project Naveli and the work that we do there, it's really focused around four main pillars: education, healthcare, legal awareness, and entrepreneurship. I think four areas where, there's so much more potential for women to continue growing. We have made a lot of progress, but a lot more that we can see in the future. And I hope that through the foundation, we are able to do that. In terms of the inspiration behind it, I would say that, I wouldn't be able to choose one person who inspired me to do this, but I would say that, the women at home. And by that, I mean the homemakers, our mothers. And I think it's really all mothers in India that are an inspiration to me, because I think it's a role that we don't tend to give enough credit to, or we don't tend to, look at it as something as aspirational. A lot of times, when we have conversations around women empowerment, it's always the CEO or like the startup founder. But I think that, mothers are really the biggest example of strength that we see today. And I think that the role that they play is probably far more important than what we do in our jobs every day, because they're responsible for, shaping the next generation that's coming after us. And I think that that is something that we don't give enough credit to. So I think Project Naveli really was inspired from mothers, of course, my own, but all mothers in India today, and helping them with that journey of raising a generation that would build a gender equal society.
Thank you so much. So, as I'm a mother, so I would like to give away that message: more strength to you and more strength to your project, because the inspiration is so soulful. So the last question of this conversation would be: as an entrepreneur, you just delivered a very insightful fireside chat around your organization, what you're doing. So, what would be your takeaway, and what's your experience around the conference, ET Entrepreneur Summit and Awards?
Firstly, thank you for having me here. It's been an incredible experience so far. I enjoyed my conversation on stage. And I think more than that, I think just to be able to share a platform with so many, established founders, CEOs, and entrepreneurs, I think in itself is a great honor. So, very happy that I could be, a part of that. And, also thank you for inviting me. Thank you for thinking I was worthy enough to share some of my insights and my experiences through my career with everyone here today. So, really has been a great experience.
Thank you so much for your
Thank
time,
you.
Navya. This was Navya. So thank you so much for joining us at this conversation today. Head to social media and please follow the hashtag ET Entrepreneur Summit and ET Entrepreneur Awards for more such updates. Tune in. Thank you so much.